Hello everyone, welcome. Welcome to Trupti's Craft. If you are new to my page, let me tell you about me. I am paper quilling artist and I make frames, ornaments, cards, different things with paper quilling. So in every Thursday I go live and I show some updates from my shop, and I also teach some different small projects of paper quilling. So let me show you what I am doing, what I did this week. So first, I made this ornament. You must be thinking it's just June and why she is making ornaments. So this is the season. So from July, everyone will start ordering gifts for Christmas. So I just started making ornaments. So I love this design. This is my favorite design. So always I start with this design. So this is ornament. I also finished that yoga pose. I was doing it. So it's like this. So, and I also made Washington Capitals logo. Sorry, I don't have that right now to show you, but you must have seen that in today's post. So I made that one. Yeah, that's it. Oh, one couple of more things. Reva and Megha, they did some quilling today, and they want me to show you their creation. So they made this small mandala. So they use just tight coil to make this mandala. So it's very simple but beautiful. And Megha also made one. She did one drawing and she said, "Can you please show this drawing in live?" I said, "Yes." So this is one kind of yoga pose. She did it. So my girls are doing quilling and drawing, reading these things in summer. How about you? How about your kids? What are they doing it? Hi Preeti, how are you? Thank you. Yeah, it's beautiful. They are doing beautiful things. So today I'm going to show how to make ornament. So I will just do it and I will talk it. Okay, let me start my other camera. Let me clean up my table first. Okay, let me add my other camera. Okay. Okay. So for this ornament also, I'm going to use blue and white color. So I'm making eye shapes. For ornaments, I use cardstock paper so that ornaments will be sturdy. If you want, you can use regular paper. It's fine. And I use 6.5 mm wide strips. You can use any wide paper strips. So I use one strip of 11-inch wide paper strip. And yes, let me tell you about my summer break paper quilling Facebook lives. From this Monday, I started that. I go live on every Monday, 3 p.m. Eastern time. So I'm going to teach some small projects, in detail, some small projects for kids. But you can also, adults can also do it, and can also uh, learn quilling. So it's very beautiful art, and you don't need a lot of material, and it's good for your uh, hand-eye coordination and meditation. And you can do anything with quilling, so you can also try it. So this Monday I just showed what supplies you need for quilling and importance of quilling, his little bit history of quilling. So from next Monday I will teach some small projects. So I'm done with eye shapes. Now I'm going to glue these eye shapes. Kids can also start making some ornaments for this Christmas season. Or if you don't want to make ornaments, you can just make these kind of snowflakes and uh, glue them on the card, or glue them on the cardstock, and you can frame it like this. You can just frame it like this. So this will be good gift for the Christmas, and it will be handmade. So recipient will love this, and you can use different color paper, and you can make it. You, if you have color theme for your ornaments, you can just use those colors to make these ornaments. Usually I try to make couple of ornaments together. First I decide the design, and then I start making ornaments. One day someone asked me, how do you decide what size paper, what size coils, how to decide what size paper we use, what size coils we should use. So it's just depends on the design, and you have to try it. It's not hard and fast rule that you have to use this shape as this shape only, or this size strip only. It's up to you, and you can just try different strips, different size strips, or different uh, shapes, or different size coils. So you have to just practice it. Now I'm going to make tight coils with blue strips. So I used 10 eye shapes. I glued these eye shapes like this. Now I am making tight coils. I'm gonna glue those coils in between these eye shapes. So I'm going to putting glue on sides and just glue it like this. If you want, you can just use pins so that these shapes will not move. So you can just add pins like this. And you can make any design you want. Like this, you can just glue all tight coils. Oops. Now after this, I am thinking of using curved teardrops. Let's see how does it will look. So for each shape, first we have to make a loose coil and pinch that loose coil to make different shapes. So now I don't know which sides should I use. So first I'm gonna try it one sides and then let's see how does it looks. Let's see. So make teardrop first, glue it and then just bend it to make curved teardrop. So now let's see. I will just try to use like this. Let me make one more teardrop, curved teardrop, and roll it. Pinch it, put glue. Okay, now I'm going to glue this eye shape, sorry, curved teardrops like this. Glue on both sides, and you can put glue here so that both curved teardrops will get attached to each other. And if you want, you can just add pins. So like this, I'm going to make this ornament. So today I will finish this ornament and tomorrow I will put the picture. So I hope you like this ornament and I hope you will make this kind of ornaments. If you want to learn something special, you can send me request or you can just put a comment. I will try to show you. And if you are watching this as a replay, you can just type as a replay so that I will know that you just watched this video. Oh, thank you, Preeti. You like that yoga pose frame? Thank you very much. So that's it for today. Enjoy your summer break. Bye.